Hi everyone, just a catch-up video. So fascia soffits are done. As you can see, they are angled. Reason being why we've done angled is because we could make the soffit area a bit wider, and we got this garage door we need to fit in, and it's got like a around 90mm frame, so everything will come 90mm lower, and that should give us enough to move our to clear the fascia soffit, etc. So before we're gonna, so one of the next jobs will be to either cement on bonnet tiles, but unfortunately I won't be starting today because it's already late in the day. So what I will be doing then, I will be getting ready for this door. So this is the frame and runners for the door. It's up and over door. So what we need to do, we need to put something there across on top of the beams, like a trimmers if you like, or trimmer, and that is to take the weight of the door, garage door itself. So obviously we don't want to be hanging anything off the actual roof, because obviously that will weaken the roof. So that's why we are putting trimmer on, and if weather is turning, supposedly it should be wet. So if it is wet, then what we will be doing the garage door, and we also got a bit of sort of a platform to make at that end, like a storage. So then we'll be working on that. If not, then we will be doing the bonnet tiles or hip tiles. But yeah, it's no point for me starting today because it's already sort of late in the day and I just won't be able to get it done. But I would like to, if I do, I would like to get one at least done in a day. It's no point stopping halfway. So yeah, that's where we are, and I hope you're enjoying it, and I'll catch up with you in a bit. Hi everyone, so just an update. So the door is fitted, we've done the door. I haven't filmed it because I have done a couple of videos of these garage doors or similar garage doors, fitting them, so hence why I didn't film really this one. The only difference is that this being such a wide door, it's got a support here on the side, and then where you need, get some extra bolts and screw it up to the, as you can see there's a little sag. So what we'll do, we will get these straps put on from the trimmer we put in. Also that trimmer will be used to attach the electric system, so that's what it's going to be used as well for. So all the weight goes on there rather than off the roof, as I explained before. So our next bit what we need to do is we need to finish the cladding on the front. So then all the oak cladding is finished, and what we're gonna have, we're gonna put like trimmers so we can stop and we just infill between. And so that's what we're gonna do. I need to trim it off a little bit because it's too wide. We'll have the same sort of margin more or less for that. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. So I'm working on both of them, and then we'll start trimming out the sides and just finishing off the oak. and then tomorrow hopefully weather gets better and we get the cement done, or start getting cement done. So by end of the week we finish. So I hope you've been enjoying it, and I catch you in a bit. Hi everyone, just an update. So we fitted the door yesterday. We got some cladding to do to finish off. I nearly finished it, but I've decided I'm gonna do a cement. All the cement works because the weather is good, so I don't really want to be pushing my luck. Hopefully we'll get it done today, or majority at least, and then if there is a little drizzle, doesn't matter, we can finish cladding and internal work, what we need to do, those little snagging bits. So yeah, I hope you can enjoy it, and I catch up with you in a bit. Hi everyone, just a catch up. So as you can see, we've done the cementing bonnet tiles. So the last thing left to do is infill this middle, finish tiling. In ideal world you would finish all the tiling and then do your cement on bonnet tiles, etc. But because we don't have didn't have the scaffolding, and reason being is needed access here to get past, so we couldn't have a proper scaffolding. So hence why we had to just do with bandstands, etc. And from bandstands you can't really put ladder onto the roof, it's not safe. So therefore we did it this way, we sort of carried on a bottom row. So I have measured in between every, say, 2 to 3 rows to see if the tiles will fit, and they seem to fit. So hopefully we're not gonna get any big problems, because them tiles, they're not perfect, they in within 2 or 3 mil width-wise, so they're thereabouts, but I'm sure it'll be fine. So task for today is finish the tiling, and then we got cladding to finish on here, and trimming up the top, which we're just gonna put oak in on the top. So yeah, we got this to do, and lastly we're gonna fit the suspended, like a mezzanine floor, that's gonna be for storage. And also what I'll do, it'll lock in and help to support obviously stuff from moving, which we'll want to do anyway, because obviously of the fact that it's a green oak. The stuff we have done so far has helped, but this will improve it even better, because yeah, that's the only thing you need to keep in mind, that these things will move around being green oak. So but customers are aware of it, so that's okay. So yeah, without further ado, I will crack on filling in the tiles there, and I'll catch you soon. So we have finished, all done. So we've tidied up, so I just want to show you what we've done. So we also put some storage, so joist to form storage above. So that was the little extra from previous. That beam we put in just to take the weight of the gouge, because it needed hanging off. So we used some heavy duty straps for that. So let's close the door. So that's the door, see the door, see the panel door. So yeah, I think it came out quite well. Obviously you will get splits and gaps and that from the oak, but yeah, I think it worked out well. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch up with you in our next videos.